of the correct answer for each of the following. At first question, which of the following has a definite volume but not a definite shape? Option 1 chair, option 2 apple, option 3 oil, option 4 soap. The right answer option 3, that is oil. Next question, gases occupy all the available space because their molecules are option 1 strong, option 2 weak, option 3 loosely packed, option 4 tightly packed. Answer option 3 loosely packed. Next question, which of the following is the smallest particle that make up a matter? Option 1 atom, option 2 molecule, option 3 compound, option 4 mixture. Right answer option 1 atom. Next question type, fill in the blanks. First question, two or more atoms combine to form a answer molecule. Next question, dash is a pure substance that consists of only one kind of atom, answer element. Next question, dash neither have a definite shape nor a definite volume, answer gases. Next question pattern, write T for true and F for false. First question, air has mass and occupies space. This statement is true. Next question, intermolecular phase is same in all the compound. This statement is false. Next question, rainwater is an example of a compound. This statement is true.
Now discuss. Write the T for true and A for false. At first, germination of seeds is an example of a slow change. Answer true. Next, cutting of tree is an artificial change. Answer true. This answer is true. Cyclones occur periodically. This part is false. This statement is false. Question number 4. Withering of leaves is an irreversible change. And this statement is true. Next, burning of a matchstick is a fast change. This statement true. Next, all changes in nature are reversible. Statement is false. Next, occurrence of landslides is a periodic change. Statement false. Next, in physical change, the chemical properties of a substance change. This statement false. Next, sublimation is an example of physical change. This statement true. Next, rotting of vegetables is an example of a chemical change. This statement true. Okay. Next question type, fill in the blanks. At first, number 1, cutting down of tree is a or an change. The fill in the point, that is the proper word, artificial. That is, cutting down of tree is a or an artificial change. That is the point, artificial change. Okay. Next, germination of seed is a dash change, slow change. Next, the product of each or an dash change are harmful and unpleasing. Answer undesirable. Okay. Next, the changes in which there is release of heat energy are called dash changes, exothermic changes. Okay. Next, If the chemical properties of a substance remain unchanged but its shape changes, it is a dash change. Answer physical. Okay. Next, the new product from is a chemical change slow dash property. That is new property. Okay. Next part, in physical changes, the energy change is minimal. That is minimum. Okay. Next, the process in which a solid gets converted into its liquid state when heated is known as melting. Okay. Next, question number 9. The process of evaporation take place at a temperature below the dash point of a liquid, that is boiling point. Next question, question number 10. Change that repeat after a fixed interval of time are known as dash changes. Answer periodic. Okay. Next question pattern, choose the correct answer to the correct for each of the following. Okay. Number A. Which of the following is not an irreversible change? Option 1. Melting of oats. Option 2. Boiling of vegetables. Option 3. Baking of biscuits. Option 4. Frying of food products. And shade number 1, that is melting of oats. Next question B. Which of the following is a periodic change? Option 1. Cyclone. Option 2. Phase of moon. Option 3. Accident. Option 4. Tsunami. Option 2 is the right answer, that is phase of moon. Next question, burning of petrol is an example of dash change. Option 1 physical, option 2 endothermic, option 3 exothermic. Under next option 4 none of these. Answer option 3 exothermic. Next question, question number D. Digestion of food is an example of dash change. Option 1 physical, option 2 reversible, option 3 chemical, option 4 undesirable. Option 4 undesirable is the right answer. Next question number E. Which of these is a physical change? Number 1 rusting of iron, burning of paper, folding of paper, cooking of food. Option 3 folding of paper is the right answer, that is physical change. Next question, question number F. Identify of characteristics of a chemical change. Option 1 change in both physical and chemical properties. Option 2 no new products are formed. Option 3 temporary and reversible. Option 4 energy change in minimal. Option 1, that is change in both physical and chemical properties. Okay. Next question pattern, give an example for each of the following. Number 1 natural change. Example growth of plant or a baby. Example of first change burning of matchstick. Example of non-periodic change occurrence of cyclone. Next example of undesirable change rotting of fruits and vegetables, soil erosion, rusting of iron, etc. Example reversible change. Example that is melting of ice. Okay. Next question pattern. Write the categories the following change into physical and chemical change: burning of paper, rusting, melting of ice, evaporation. Number 5, cooking of food. Answer: physical changes 3 and 4, that is melting of ice and evaporation. Chemical changes 1, 2 and 5, that is 1 burning of paper, rusting, cooking of food is the example of chemical changes. Next question pattern. Write down the following changes into physical and chemical changes and their energy change. Number 1, burning of wood. Number 2, bursting of cracker. Number 3, melting of ice. Number 4, photosynthesis. Number 5, boiling of water. Number 1, burning of wood. It is the type of chemical change. Heat energy is released. Next, number 2, bursting of cracker. Change of chemical, that is heat energy is released. Next, 3, melting of ice. Physical change. Heat energy is absorbed. 4, photosynthesis. It is the chemical change. Heat energy is absorbed. 5, boiling of water. It is the physical change. Heat energy is absorbed.
My dear viewers, today discuss the first chapter, matter and its composition based on ICSE class 7. This video only for discuss summary, MCQ and very short question type, that is SAQ. At first discuss the summary. Atom, the smallest particle that make up a substance or matter. Element, pure substance that consists of only one kind of atom. Compound, a chemical substance from when two or more elements combine together in a fixed ratio. Molecule, when two or more atoms combine, they form a molecule. Next, anything that occupies space and has mass is called matter. Matter exists in three different states: solid, liquids, and gases. Solid have a definite shape and volume. The molecules of a solid are closely packed. Liquid do not have a definite shape but have a definite volume. The molecules of liquid are loosely packed. Some question, that is, choose of the correct answer for each of the following. At first question, which of the following has a definite volume but not a definite shape? Option 1, chair. Option 2, apple. Option 3, oil. Option 4, soap. The right answer option 3, that is oil. Next question, gases occupy all the available space because their molecules are: option 1, strong. Option 2, weak. Option 3, loosely packed. Option 4, tightly packed. Answer option 3, loosely packed. Next question, which of the following is the smallest particle that make up a matter? Option 1, atom. Option 2, molecule. Option 3, compound. Option 4, mixture. Right answer option 1, atom. Next question type, fill in the blanks. First question, two or more atoms combine to form a. Answer, molecule. Next question, dash is a pure substance. that consist of only one kind of atom? Answer element. Next question, does neither have a definite shape nor a definite volume? Answer gases. Next question pattern, write T for true and F for false. First question, air has mass and occupies space. This statement is true. Next question, intermolecular phase is same in all the compound. This statement is false. Next question, rainwater is an example of a compound. This statement is true. My dear viewers, next question pattern, define the following terms. Number 1, molecule. Number 2, intermolecular force. Number 3, liquid. Number 4, intermolecular distance. Number 5, atom. Number 6, element. Number 7, compound. At first discuss the molecule. Number 1. When two or more atoms combine, they form a molecule. Molecules are made of atoms of either the same kind or different kinds. Example, water molecule containing both hydrogen atom and oxygen atom. Next pattern, the defined term, intermolecular force. Molecules in a substance are held together by a force called intermolecular force. Next term, liquid. A substance that has a definite volume but not a definite shape is called liquid. Example, water is a liquid. Next term, intermolecular distance. The distance between the molecules of a substance is called intermolecular distance. Next pattern, defined term, atom. The smallest particle that makes up a substance or matter is called an atom. Example, hydrogen atom. Next pattern, next defined term, element. An atom is the basic unit of an element which represents a substance. Example of elements are hydrogen, oxygen, gold, and silver. Atoms retain the property of their respective elements. Next term, next defined term, compounds. Molecules form from atoms of different kinds are called compound. Water is a compound. Next question pattern, differentiate between the following term. Number 1, atom and molecule. Number 2, element and compound. Number 3, solid and gas. Number 4, intermolecular force and intermolecular distance. Now discuss number 1, atom and molecule. Atom, the smallest particle that makes up a substance or matter is called an atom. Example, hydrogen atom. Molecule, when two or more atoms combine, they form a molecule. Molecules are made of atoms of either the same kind or different kinds. Example, water molecule containing both hydrogen atom and oxygen atom. Next different terms, that is the difference part between element and compound. Number 1, difference part. Elements are substances that are pure in their nature and are composed of a single atom. But compounds are also pure substances that are composed of elements in definite properties, definite ratio. Second part, that is B. Till now, 118 elements have been discovered, out of which 94 elements are naturally occurring on Earth. Indefinitely, that is indefinite number, no particular fixed number. of the compounds can be found. There is no absolute number. Next part, that is C. Element can be categories as metals, metalloids and non-metal. But compounds are divided into three categories: metallic, ionic and molecular. Next part of the difference between element and compound, D option. Elements are the single atom, hence they cannot be broken down. Compound can be broken down using chemical reaction. Next difference part, E. Elements are represented using numbers and symbols. Example: hydrogen, oxygen, copper, carbon, etc. But compounds are represented using the chemical formulas. Example: water, ammonia, sodium chloride. Next difference between solid and gas. Option 1, that is discuss the part 1 difference part solid and liquid 1, that is A. Solid has definite shape and definite volume, but gases have neither definite shape nor volume. Difference between second part, that is B. Solid cannot flow but gas flow in all direction. Different part for third, that is C. Arrangement of molecules of solid are tightly packed, but arrangement of molecules of gases are very loosely packed. Next difference between intermolecular force and intermolecular distance. Intermolecular force, that is molecules in a substance are held together by a force called intermolecular force. But intermolecular distance, the distance between the molecules of a substance, is called intermolecular distance. My dear viewers, next part, that is the next video based on compound and its composition, only for discuss the question answer type. Please show the next video. Thank you my dear viewers. Okay.
At first, write T for true and F for false. Number A. An alloy is an example of a mixture. This statement is true. Next question. The valency of 1 should be written in the final formula of compound. This statement is false. Next question. Question number C. The chemical formula represents one molecule of a compound. This statement is true. Okay. Next question. Question number D. Suspension is a mixture of two or more immiscible liquids. This statement false. Next, E. The fully developed chromatography paper is known as chromatogram. This statement is true. Next, question number F. Evaporation is used to separate a mixture of milk and water. This statement true. Next question number G. The preferred methods for separation of crude oil into its compounds is fractional distillation. This statement true. Next, question number H. A separating funnel is used to separate plant pigments. This statement true. Next question, question number I. That is, only a particular kind of paper is used for chromatography technique. This statement is false. Next question type. Choose the correct answer for each of the following. Number 1. The symbol of silver is option A, that is 1 Hg, option 2 Sb, option 3 Ag, option 4 S. Option 3, that is silver. Ag is the right answer. Okay. Next question, question number B. Identify the chemical formula of calcium hydroxide. Option 1 CaOH, option 2 CaOH whole 2, option 3 Ca2OH, option 4 Ca2OH. Option 2, that is CaOH whole 2 is the right answer. Next question, which of the following is used to separate into immiscible liquids? Option A, separating funnel. Option B, sublimation. Option 3, filtration. Option 4, evaporation. Option 1, that is separating funnel is the right answer. Next question, sublimation can be used to separate a mixture of option 1 sand and ammonium chloride, option 2 sand and sugar, option 3 iron fillings and salt, option 4 stone and rice. Option 1 is the right answer, that is sand and ammonium chloride is the right answer. Next question, which of these is an example of homogeneous mixture? Option 1 air, option 2 muddy water, option 3 oil in water, option 4 chalk powder in water. Option 1 rich air is the right answer. Next question type, fill in the blanks. Number A substance that contains only one kind of atom is called. Option A element or a mixture. Answer A element. The proper cylinder word an element. Next B. A Latin name of sodium is kalium or natrium. That is natrium is the right answer. Next question number C. Chemical symbol of platinum is P, that is phosphorus, Pt, that is platinum. That is right answer, Pt. Next question, emulsion is an example of homogeneous heterogeneous mixture. That is heterogeneous mixture. Next question number E. Compound are pure or impure substance? Answer pure. Okay. Next question type. Choose the odd one out. Number A. 1 natrium, 2 barium, 3 cuprium, 4 argon. Argon is the odd. Okay. Next B. 1 Fe, 2 Hg, 3 Cu, 4 Ca. That is Hg is the odd one. That is it is the metal liquid substance. Next C. 1 Cu, 2 MgO, 3 Al, 4 Ag. That is one type of the compound, that is magnesium oxide, that is odd for other. Next D. 1 iodine, 2 camphor, 3 sugar, 4 ammonium chloride. Right answer sugar. What one other. Next E. Salt solution, sugar solution, honey, smoke. Smoke is the what other. Okay. Next question type. Match the compound with their chemical formulas. Column 1, that is copper chloride, that is sulfuric chloride. 2. Zinc oxide. 3. Sodium oxide. 4. Calcium sulfide. Column 2, A. CaS, B. CuaCl2, C. ZnO, D. Na2O. Answer related to this part, that is 1, answer B, that is copper chloride. Answer B means CuCl2. B2, zinc oxide, that is 2 related to answer C. C means ZnO. 3 to D related answer D, that is 3 sodium oxide. Answer D, Na2O. 4 calcium sulfide, A, that is CaS. Thank you my dear viewers, thank you students.